This is my cafe. Wait, no, wait. This is my cafe racer. It's looking a little rough, but don't worry, it'll get there. Before I got my hands on this bike, it looks something like this. So how'd we get here? Well, let me show you. What's up, guys? So it's a cold day here. I got a sinus thing going on. Forgive me for that. But let's go over like what we're gonna do in this video. So we got this 1980 gas tank. We're gonna swap that out. So in order to do that, we need to change the front mount and the rear mount. Completely different. At least the front mount, it still has the 1980 still has the spot to kind of just weld in a rod in order to use the 1977 gas tank. I don't know. It's a whole thing. They use the same frame basically. You know, Suzuki, they're cheap, but gotta love them. Let's see. So the front mount, the rear mount. We're gonna completely swap out the seat. Obviously, you know, going for that cafe look. Gotta get rid of, you know, all these tabs and mounts. We might actually reuse these. I think I have a plan in order to reuse these little slots here, and also the locking mechanism, because I feel like that's a really neat kind of option to have, is to be able to unlock your seat and, you know, kind of lift up and access the storage underneath it, because I am going to be keeping these side panels here. I might delete the GS logo here, we'll see. But yeah, so tank mounts, seat mounts, let's get into it. Alright, so what I was working on is getting these solenoids off, because I also need to change these mounts. I don't know if you can see. So that one and that one. And there's a solenoid on each side of the frame here. So I'm pretty sure for the 77 model, which I'm going to need to kind of mimic because I'm using the 77 tank. I'm pretty sure the solenoid is mounted like right underneath here, and you can see where I cut out the original mount. Actually, this is a good opportunity to show you. So yeah, this is the 1980 mount, which is more, you know, kind of, it's more of an angle, and you know, you have that teardrop gas tank as well, which, you know, we don't want that. We want more of a cafe style kind of tank. So here is the 1977, you know, 78, all those others, that tank mount. We're probably going to use that tank mount, and we're just going to kind of weld this rod in there. You know, obviously cut it to spec, but yeah. So that's the first two, you know, first couple steps, getting the solenoids figured out, and then we can, you know, weld up the tank mounts and the rear tank mount. So this is the rear tank mount. We're also gonna have to change this. I'm not exactly sure how the earlier models did it, but you know, I'll just have to mess around with it. I might be able to reuse this, you know, this mounting kind of bracket here, but if I have to make something, then, you know, that's fine. This is just a mock-up of the tank and the seat on the bike. This is actually the first time I've like seen them all like together, so that was pretty cool. But as you can see, the back side of the tank sits a little bit too low, so the rear mount will have to kind of lift it up just a little bit, just in order to maintain that line. So with that out of the way, let's get back into tearing this thing down. Alright, so we got the bike maybe 80% torn down. Still have a few things to do, you know, wheels, shocks, the engine, just little things, you know. But so we cleaned up the front tank mount here, just kind of sanded away at it, and so we're gonna weld in that rod right there. We're gonna kind of mess around with the mounting point back here. Basically the trick here will be just to make sure that the tank the bottom sits level with the rest of the seat frame. So yeah, let's do it. Alright guys, I think we're going to end it there. We did the tank mount front and back, so it's looking good. We got you know, the line, the body line going. So yeah, hit like, subscribe if you want to follow this build. Next video we're going to be doing the seat hoop and a little bit more teardown. Thanks for watching guys, take care.